Hi friends, this video shows how to insert memory card into Canon 1100D. So this is a Canon 1100D. This memory card slot is located in the bottom side of this camera. Let me turn this camera. So this is a place where we can find the memory card. First we have to open this cap. Just push this button. See, that way we can open it. Here we can see the battery, and here you can see the memory card. So first let me remove this memory card. We need to just press on the memory card, then release. So that way we can easily remove this memory card. See, if you want to insert, first knot this corner, then open this cap, then we need to insert this memory card like this. Okay, then we need to press, then release. Done. After that we can close this. Okay, so this way we can easily insert memory card into Canon 1100D. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.